what's good, Shikari?
Hey beauties, and welcome back to IAmBeautifulHustlerTV. Today I'll be showing you guys a quick video on how to safely remove your lace wig using my Beautiful Hustlers lace release, and also cleaning the hairline with my Beautiful Hustlers lace prep as well. And I did apply my wig with 3 layers of my Beautiful Hustler lace melt adhesive, and this is the official remover and lace prep that I will be using today in this video. You guys have highly requested me doing a removal video for you, so I did not speed it up. I'm showing you the real life time that it took to remove my lace and how easy it was. Now what I'm doing right now is just taking the lace release and just applying it on my wig, and I'm trying to go back further enough to how far back I applied my lace glue. So I'm just going to squeeze this remover all on the front of their hairline and just rubbing it in and letting it sit for a little bit, so it'll be easy for me to go ahead and begin to lift up the wig. And as you can see, it's starting to eat that glue up very quickly. So yeah, I'm just going to let it let it take its course and just work the way it's supposed to, and begin to lift the lace up. As you can see, the glue is getting very sticky and tacky, and I'm just sliding my finger right underneath and just allowing that that oil in my finger to just glide the cap away from the wig, which also makes it easier to remove as well. And another thing I wanted to mention, just ignore my faces. I'm really trying to avoid getting this stuff in my eyes, and I had just got my lashes redone, so my eyes was closed for a long time, so I'm trying to readjust to them being back open. But however, I'm just going to repeat the same steps on the other side, just taking that lace release, applying it on the hairline, letting it eat away that glue, getting it nice, sticky, and tacky, so it is safe and easy to remove. And I'm going to begin to pull this side of the wig up as well. And as I mentioned, and I will repeat again, I did use 3 layers of my lace melt adhesive when I applied this wig. And as you can see, I'm taking my finger once again and just pulling that cap away from the wig. And be very careful, as I mentioned, guys, like I almost poked my damn eye out, almost got this stuff in my eye. So just take your time when you're doing this on yourself. So yeah, and I'm just going to go ahead and continue to rub it in and go ahead and pull that off. And the next thing I'm going to do is go ahead with that same oil that's already on my head. I'm going to go ahead and pull that stocking cap that I used, which was the pantyhose. So it's already nice and it's tacky and sticky, so it's easy to pull it right on off, and I did right there. And as you can see, my edges are still there. My hair is still intact. As y'all can see, my natural hair is long. I do have natural hair. I don't perm it or relax it, if you want to get technical, whichever word you want to use. And my hair just grows so much underneath these wigs. And soon I will actually be doing a natural hair video where I'm probably going to color my natural hair red and do like a nice little blowout, or maybe like a cute red ponytail style. So stay tuned for that. But now this is part 2, where I'm going to go ahead and take my lace prep, which is the 99% alcohol, so just clean off the extra remover and the rest of the little glue that's still on there, without having to scrub hard or burn myself or scrubbing my skin off too hard, because this product will do the work on its own. So I'm just going to go ahead and begin to spray it on my hairline. And I couldn't find a rag at the time, so I just grabbed a scarf that was nearby me and took that scarf and began to clean my hairline right on off. So I'm just going to spray that on my hairline and begin to clean it. Also, because this is alcohol, you want to be very, very careful, and you definitely do not want to get this in your eyes. So just be mindful of how you're doing it. I'm doing this on camera, so it's a little bit weird and awkward for me to see, especially because there's not a mirror in front of me. But I'm just going to go ahead and clean my hairline. And yeah, it's just really that simple. So I hope this video was informative for you guys. Thank you guys for staying tuned. And I do have a video at the end where we're just being weird for no reason. But thank you guys for tuning in. Thank you guys for your words of encouragement. I appreciate all of it. And stay tuned and have a laugh at the end of us doing nothing. Okay, bye.